Hi, my name's Kit and I'm a craft-based designer. I run a creative studio which specialises in creating playful props and installations for clients all over the world. Halloween is my favourite time of year and I love making spooky props to decorate our studio. Today I want to share a quick and simple DIY for a horror hand prop that you can create using just 2 household items and spray paints from the White Knight Squirts range. For this skeletal zombie hand, I'm using a kind of cheats paper mache technique. The tin foil allows you to easily sculpt a solid form, and the masking tape replicates paper mache but without the mess. It's such an easy prop making hack for anyone low on time but still wanting to build something effective and amazing. It's also a great technique for kids to try because it's so easy. To build your horror hand, begin by scrunching together large pieces of aluminium foil, sculpting it as you go into the shape of a hand. You can join scrunched pieces together to increase the shape by wrapping multiple pieces in a larger piece of foil. Next, sculpt a bunch of knuckle bones for the fingers of the hand. It's up to you how large you want to make your hand, don't be afraid to play with scale. To enlarge the hand, just add more foil. To join all your pieces together, you basically want to mummify everything using masking tape. Start by wrapping the main part of the hand and wrist. I did 2 layers of masking tape for each, and then wrap each individual knuckle. Then join these together with longer strips of tape until you form fingers. Attach the fingers to the hand to complete the structure. Now the magic is really in the details here. The White Knight Squirts range has so many colours that are perfect for a prop like this. When using spray paint, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and where possible, wear a protective mask. Give the cans a good shake to mix up the paint beforehand and do a little test spray to get the stream going before you start. To create a decayed skeletal zombie look to your hand, start off by creating some depth to the hand and knuckles using charcoal. Spray in short, light streaks, building up colour layer by layer, and hold the can about 20 centimetres away from the prop. Next, pare the darkness back a bit with a light layer of white all over. Then you can create depth and realistic details around the tendons and joints with some light layers of mission brown and dusk grey or silver. Finally, seal your prop all over using the clear coat spray. Now that your prop's done, you can hide it somewhere in your studio, in your home, your office, your front porch or your garden to scare your visitors or passers-by. Simple, quick and creepy. Give it a go and let me know what you think.